If you're trying to choose between LibreOffice and ONLYOFFICE, here's the quick comparison. I've used both, and while they're free Office suites, they focus on different things. LibreOffice is the veteran. It comes packed with powerful tools, supports tons of file formats, and works completely offline. If you need advanced features, especially for spreadsheets or long documents, LibreOffice is usually the stronger option. ONLYOFFICE, on the other hand, feels much more modern. Its interface looks closer to Microsoft Office, so it's easier to learn if you're switching from Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. It also does a better job preserving Microsoft Office formatting and offers excellent real-time collaboration features. Performance-wise, both are fast, but only. Office tends to feel cleaner and more polished, while LibreOffice offers deeper functionality for power users. So, which one wins? Choose LibreOffice if you want maximum features and flexibility. Choose ONLYOFFICE if you want a modern interface, better Microsoft Office compatibility, and smoother collaboration. For most everyday users, I'd give the edge to ONLYOFFICE, but power users may still prefer LibreOffice.